Hey, trick or treat!
Smell my feet!
So it's Halloween and it's raining, and let me clarify, it's not just a little rain, people, it's a lot of rain and a lot of wind, and yes, I don't want to be out there in the rain. So we are having a Halloween party. We got a pinata, which I still don't understand why. This is supposed to be in, this is supposed to be out.
And we're
putting all the candy.
Putting it in the exit only.
The exit only, yep. So Pinata's gonna get hung up.
Oh, we're gonna lose so many subscribers.
Oh well. We've got lights all around the house, lights and stuff. And then we've got too much candy. And I think the kids are literally gonna trick or treat around the house.
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna do. Oh, let me show you this. If you could see under here, we've got pizza dough. That didn't look so good, but we're making homemade pizzas. That's what we're doing. So she's gonna keep stuffing candy up the butt of a, what is that thing?
Well, it's
a llama.
Pinata, but it's
Yeah.
kind of a knockoff Fortnite llama.
That's what it is. Yep. And now I gotta find a stick that I get to give kids that they can swing in the house. This is a great idea.
What are we thinking?
Wood?
Ooh, is that for me to use on you?
I'd like it. Plastic. More subscribers. Gone.
Gone.
Cardboard. Cardboard's kind of weak. Sort of.
Let me see if it works.
Okay. Ow! Whoa! It works. My turn.
Ow! Oh my god, I'm gonna get you.
Happy Halloween! Okay, so I have no homework. That's fun.
That's good. No homework on Halloween?
Yeah, no homework on Halloween. Reading and math. That would take 30 minutes. Because actually no, 40. No, yeah, 30. And well, I'm going to the party right now at my house. Yeah, at my house. With this girl and where is he? And that boy and this man.
He called me a man. That's funny.
Got him a man.
All right, we're almost home.
Yep.
Bye!
I see you there.
Okay, Shark Man. And what? Wait, where'd you go? That's so satisfying. It's like cracking knuckles. How many did you do?
I didn't want to.
Because I did all the kids.
I did 7.
Whoa! What did you find in there? It's sangria! It's getting busy in here, and we're just making pizzas, and it's starting to get really loud and hot, like he just said. It's like 100 and something degrees. Really, it's only like 75, but it's who's that?
You guys are wrestling.
Yeah. Everybody be nice for the camera. Go on YouTube.
This is what happens when it rains. We invite everybody over and second guess the whole operation. We've planted adult humans throughout the house with all these little kids with bags to go trick-or-treating. And I've noticed the humans have started eating the candy. Amy's chowing down over here. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, how many of you are actually dressed up? Oh,
I am.
great. Tyler, what are you?
I'm a llama.
What are you?
Fortnite.
I need to climb.
What are you?
Shark.
The rest of them are just a bunch of kids. All right, here we go.
You know, I don't
Olivia,
care
you
how
first.
you're gonna do it.
Go ahead. See Miss Amy. But you didn't say trick or treat. You didn't say it. Whoa, how many did you give her? Oh my goodness. Okay, next one. Go, go, go. Tyler, you didn't say it either.
Trick or treat. Smell my feet. Nothing.
Oh, there's another one over here.
Oh my god.
There's another one. Oh, hey, don't give out too much. You got more kids coming.
I know. Hey, don't forget hot air.
Trick or treat.
Oh, she has the good stuff.
Oh, one.
Oh, I gotta stick with this kid. I don't trust this one. Is there more over here?
No, you did not say trick or treat.
Trick or treat. Got it. I think a handful for him. Oh man.
We're losing this battle. Mommy, these are the only two cute ones. I didn't even notice this guy over here. Wait a second. I totally got. Stella, no pinata for you. You ready for this? All right, give Olivia her stick.
You get 5 hits.
No, that's not true.
Yes, for the little ones it is.
Okay, fine,
She
go.
can tap it.
Go ahead,
Go
Olivia.
ahead, you whack it.
Whoa,
That
one.
one didn't count.
Go ahead again. Yes, it did. Two. Yes.
Why not like 2?
Oh my God! Back up, Tyler. 3.
Yes.
Let's move the lights.
4.
Good job. Okay, go. Whoa, back up. Go ahead.
Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're not gonna get hit.
Nice job. Okay.
All right, let's go do your back.
All right, Tyler gets a different whacking stick.
What? This is not okay. Fine. It's hard.
Yeah. All right, one.
I'm gonna go for the legs.
All right, good. You can't spin them if they're not blindfolded.
No, I just didn't want to.
No, you can't touch it. Drop it.
Watch Stella.
That was like.
All right.
Penis. 1, 2.
Yeah, Jason's just gonna.
So I lost battery on our camera right before the pinata broke. So from this point forward, it's all photos. And yes, I really burned the pizza pretty bad.
Where are we right now?
We are in House of Pie. See,
time
that's
is
the
it?
ceiling of House of Pie. You guys can't see a thing out here. It's about, oh, can you see
11:07.
House of Pie? Maybe. Oh, look, House
Here,
of Pie.
I'll show you House of Pie.
There you go.
Look,
There we
here
go.
we are.
Little,
Here's the roof.
little House of Pie action.
It's windy, so you guys are gonna.
Yeah.
Ooh, sorry.
So yeah, it's
also
11.
Halloween.
Yeah.
We're trying.
So
to have
yeah,
fun.
we're trying to
This
have
is
fun.
not
It hasn't been fun for a couple days. It hasn't been fun, but we're gonna make it through it. We'll be fine. If you were in the barn while the metal was flapping around, that wasn't the barn. It was extra metal. So
Thank you, Jesus.
that'll be good. And we're gonna go back.
Well, it kind of is because the cupola gives off a weird.
That is true.
Like,
The cupola
a
does shake.
flexing. And
All
metal
right.
that people heard on chat was scrap metal that was blowing in the wind and banging against things. So
Right.
we secured that. That's all set now.
So we had to fix that, but it's good. So watch some pictures from Halloween, and yeah, that's it. We'll see you later. Do that Halloween thing again. True test to see if Swanky sauce can fix just about anything. It's actually not that bad. Pretty swanky.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Now you're not
Little-
gonna stomach it. You got charcoal in your
Yeah, a little crunchy.